Dear students, we are taking the part first French society during the late 18th century. There were the three states. First state belonged to the clergy, second state belonged to the nobility, and third state belonged to the peasant and artisans, big businessmen, merchant, court officials, and lawyers. Small peasants, land and slavers, and servants. Third state were constituted by these peoples. In the in 1774, Louis XVI was the king of the France. He belonged to the Bourbon family. He was 20 years old at the time of taking kingship. He married with Austrian Princess Marie Antoinette. When he assassins, the new king found the treasure is empty. Long year of wars, long year of war had drained the financial resource of the France. Because France provide the help to United States of America for the independence of USA. Under Louis XVI, France helped the 13 American colonies to receive their independence from the common enemy, Britain, but because Britain was ruling at the times there. The war added more than a billion livers to a debts that had already risen to more than 2 billion livers. Due to this wars, the loan which is taken by the France now it raised risen up to the 2 billion livre from 1 billion livre. Lenders who gave the state credit now they start asking uh, to take a high charge means 10% interest on the given loan. That's why the French government was obliged to spend an increasing percentage of its budget on interest payment alone. To meet the regular expenses such as the cost of maintaining army, court, to run the government offices, university, the state were helpless to increase the tax. Yet, even this measure would not have sufficed. ये हालांकि पूरा नहीं था. French society in the 18th century it was divided into a three state, and only member of the third state give the tax to the state. The society of state was part of the federal system. सामंती व्यवस्था का हिस्सा था. That dated back to the middle age, जो middle age से चला आ रहा था. The term old regimes is usually used to describe the society and institutions of France before the 1789 से पहले जो है स्टेट को ओल्ड रिजिम के द्वारा डिस्क्राइब किया जाता था. जो वहाँ की फ्रांस की इंस्टीट्यूशंस एज वेल एज द सोसाइटी को ओल्ड रिजिम से डिनोट किया जाता था. फिगर में आप देख रहे हैं कि जो सिस्टम ऑफ द स्टेट फ्रेंच सोसाइटी का वो ऑर्गेनाइज था. पीजेंट्स 90% पॉपुलेशन से बने हुए थे. पीजेंट्स they were constituted from the 90% population. However, only a small number of them owned their land. They cultivated. हालांकि इसमें जो है बहुत कम संख्या में फार्मर्स थे. Those had their own land. About 60% of the land were owned by the nobles, church, and the richer member of the third estate. जो 60% जमीन थी that was kept by the nobles, church, and richer section of the state. The member of the first and second state, that is the clergy and nobility, they were enjoy the privilege by birth. बर्थ से ही जो है स्पेशल राइट्स उनको मिले हुए थे. द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट ऑफ दीज दे वर एजम्प्टेड फ्रॉम पेइंग टैक्स टू द स्टेट. जो मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट privilege था that they were totally exempted from paying the tax to the state. The noble they were also enjoying the federal's privilege. Nobles जो थे वो फेडरल प्रिविलेज को फेडरल्स स्पेशल राइट्स एंजॉय कर रहे थे. दीज इंक्लूडेड फेडरल डीज. सामंती शुल्क वो लेते थे. बड़ी बड़ी लैंड उनके पास थी विच दे एक्सट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम द पीजेंट्स. मतलब मीन टू से दिस फेडरल ड्यू इज टेकन was taken by the nobles from the peasants. Peasants were obliged to render uh, to the lord. Peasants मजबूर थे. They were also help less to provide the service to the lord, like to work in the house as well as the field. मतलब at every place they provide the service to their nobles. To serve in the army. आर्मी में भी सर्व करना पड़ता था उनको, जो है बिल्डिंग और रोड बनाने के लिए भी उनको उसमें रहना पड़ता था. चर्च जो है वो चर्च एक टैक्स जो है किसानों से लेती थी. जो द पीपल दो बिलोंग टू द थर्ड स्टेट, ए tax, the name of that tax this is taken from the peasants, and all members of third state had to pay all the tax to state. These included direct tax. एक direct tax था. The name of the tax is tally, and a number of the indirect tax which were levied on articles जो रोजमर्रा की चीज़ों पर लगाया जाता था, like the salt and tobacco. These tax direct tax is taken by the state. The burden of the financial activities of the state through the taxes were borne only the people belong to the third state.